Look at the radar of Hurricane Milton. The extremely powerful storm is expected to roar into Florida tomorrow. Crews there are trying to haul away Hurricane Helene's debris before Milton makes landfall. Meteorologist Stephanie Olmo is tracking the first alert forecast, and of course those dangerous conditions still remain.
Yeah, it's still a monster of a storm, and it will remain dangerous as we continue into the coming days and even as it makes landfall in the west coast of Florida. So let's get right to it and what we have. So again, we have Milton that's churning in the Gulf of Mexico, now away from the Yucatan Peninsula. They're still getting impacted by the hurricane there in the Yucatan, but that right now it's moving to the east northeast. Eventually, as we continue throughout the day, it's going to head more toward a northeasterly direction, and it's taking aim there at Florida as we head into late Wednesday and into Thursday. So maximum sustained winds have increased a little bit. Intensity has picked up just a little bit, right around 155 miles an hour, still a Category 4 hurricane. Again, it will continue to work its way toward a northeasterly direction, eventually downgrading to a Cat 3, but still very strong and major storm as it is expected to make landfall right around the Tampa Bay area as we head into the overnight hours Wednesday going to Thursday. This is very dangerous. The last time we had a major hurricane directly hit the Tampa Bay area was back in the 1920s, and since then, the population has exploded. We do have storm surge warnings that remain in place right along the coast. We're talking about storm surge, especially right around the Tampa area, upwards of 12 feet above ground level. This is life-threatening, catastrophic as we continue with this storm, and also hurricane warning remaining in place around the coastal areas and even areas further inland because of those powerful winds, storm surge, and flooding rain. Coming back in just a little bit, and talk more about conditions back home. We're talking about warm temperatures eventually cooling into the weekend. More in your first alert weather forecast. Back to you, Annabelle.
All right, we'll stay tuned. This as they're still coping with the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. Milton is expected to make landfall tomorrow with high risks of flooding. NBC's Jay Gray has the latest from Fort Myers, Florida.
Look.